Well, it's that time of the day, guys. And time here is 1 minute past 11 a.m. And a warm welcome to each and everyone on our opportunity call today. Today we'll be discussing about ShaoBank, how you could get involved, the services available from ShaoBank. Most importantly, with ShaoBank, you have no monthly fees and it's a low startup cost to get involved. ShaoBank have a proven strategy that has been working since 2022, guys, and we are basically in 2024 right now. Customers are still getting fast payouts from the platform and literally 52 USDT to get started with this opportunity. This is a cryptocurrency opportunity. So you have to understand the risk involved in crypto. It's a decentralized area and cryptocurrencies are not regulated. However, a lot of companies, a lot of platforms are using these options and they are being profitable organizations, right? They are bringing profits to the organization through cryptocurrencies. In this case, ShaoBank deals with bonds, so we will be discussing about bonds contract, which is a less risk opportunity compared to forex trading and cryptocurrency trading. My name is Simeon Chotilal, all the way from Trinidad and Tobago, and I'm here. I'm going to show you guys how simple it is to get started with ShaoBank. All right, so I'm going to basically share my screen now. All right, and we're going to look at we're going to look at ShaoBank website here. Just give me 1 second to just clear this out from here. All right. So warm welcome again to everyone. Thanks for taking the time to come out on today's opportunity call. And we basically wanted us focus on ShaoBank today. All right. So, so a simple little history about myself. I have been involved in cryptocurrencies for the past 3 years, dealing with forex trading, joining schools, learning how to trade, trying to master a skill where it's very difficult, right? Some cases, we lost money in trading, we gain some, we break even. It is not a consistent scenario, right? And you find yourself spending a lot of monies with monthly fees and trading accounts and stuff like that. In this day and age, I think there's prop firms as well where you could buy in and also trade on a large sum of money. But at the end of the day, guys, it's very simple. You get affiliated with a company, an organization that have been working with no monthly fees, and they have a strategy, that is proven, right? And this is ShaoBank, guys, right? With ShaoBank, you could come in here with a minimum of $52 USDT, and you could start earning from the platform. If you're into marketing, you could get involved with ShaoBank marketing system, where they pay 7% on your first level. They have 10 levels deep within the network, and then you earn tokens within this platform. And with the tokens, you could choose to buy into the different levels in the network, or you could buy cases and earn instantly to your account. So on my screen here, you would be seeing ShaoBank main website. So we wanted us, let me just make sure something is on here. Right. Perfect. So basically, what is ShaoBank? I got involved in ShaoBank in March 2023, right? I was skeptical because before that, even a year before, we got scammed a lot, guys. We joining different platforms with a lot of different promises, and this platform, stealing our money. They're doing all kind of scams, and it was very difficult to really trust a platform dealing with cryptocurrencies. So I am here just to share my journey with you guys. By no way I'm forcing anyone to join this particular organization. Once you see that this opportunity is bringing value to you, like what it did to me, right? And I'm still with the platform, I'm being profitable at this stage, right? But I mean, I had to take a step, I had to take a risk to get involved. So that's a decision will be up to you. By no way I manage anyone funds. I'm just a person bringing the opportunity to you guys, just to inform you of the options available within ShaoBank. Right. So basically, remember, guys, I am not responsible for your funds. This decision have to be up to you. Like, I had to make a decision to get involved with the platform, right? I'm just bringing the information to you guys. And don't let anybody rush you or force you in joining any platform. You had to make sure and understand what it is you're getting involved with, and then you make a decision to get involved, right? So at the end of the day, no risk, no reward. You don't take a risk, don't expect to get any new results. It's that simple. So let's talk about ShaoBank. ShaoBank is a universal banking system focused on providing banking services around the world, right? ShaoBank deals with bonds, credit, and deposit options. They are also affiliated with a very powerful um, ecosystem, right? And that is very important when dealing with an opportunity to invest into, especially dealing with cryptocurrencies, right? You had to know like a history behind the organization. In some rare cases, if they go in the red folder, like a minor state, what other means of money coming into the organization. And this is where we have this particular ecosystem corporations here, and that is Global Future Enterprises Group. We have Go Insurance, financial partner with over 35 years of experience, and they also actually contributed to the new bond contracts that we have. And we have 8 contracts we are going to discuss a little bit about today. So financial partners are the main contributor towards that particular contracts, right? This financial partner as well, they have over 35 years of experience. They have Go Insurance, which is an insurance organization tied to ShaoBank. And then you have Belgian Global Future Technology and Culture Group, another contributor towards the financial aid in ShaoBank. And you have Universal Century. All this information is available on ShaoBank website. You could check it out at your own convenience and timing, of course. Right. So that's the ecosystem behind ShaoBank. On the website, if you go under insurance and banking, you will see that they have the financial report available as well. And this is important too, because you want to know how a company is basically earning finances within the organization and distributing it. Really, really important stuff here, right? So let me see if I could just open this on a new tab here. That's to give you guys a little example what the financial report is about, right? So we're just waiting for this to load up here. Right, so this would be 2023 financial report. So scrolling down quickly, you would see all the information like to the public, how money is being earned within the platform. ShaoBank originally registered in Hong Kong, right back in 2022. They not too long after got regulated in the UK, right? If you go under let me just find out information for you quickly here, who we are and documentation. You would see all the legal information for ShaoBank on their website. You would see like the certificates, the LEI, the ICRS, the IPLC, and the COI. All these are certificates are necessary to operate an online business, especially dealing with finances, right? So really, really important stuff there. You could check out the financial report, a really, really important information here, the net income and the contribution towards ShaoBank on this page here, right? Scrolling all the way down, you would see the founder of ShaoBank, right? The person who made it possible for us to invest with this particular platform. Mr. Yang Shao, he's the CEO and bank founder of ShaoBank, right? Right, see people still coming into the meeting there. So that's some important information to know and be aware of, guys. The legal side of ShaoBank. ShaoBank is KYC ready, so that's to help protect your identity when signing up. And they also have the two-factor authenticator available
Last
as well.
night,
Right. So guys, remember you could always leave a message in the chat box. Let me just take out some settings very quickly.
I'm about to come. This is so good. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. So let's just all right. So moving forward here, basically we want to show you guys the roadmap here for ShaoBank. So ShaoBank here have a roadmap from all the way from August 2022 straight till 2032. You would see a lot of information here, a lot of accomplishment within the platform as well, within ShaoBank. So you have they are very heavily present into social media. If you go into their YouTube channel, you would see a lot of information here on their YouTube channel. ShaoBank has ventured into Bitcoin ETFs, Bitcoin mining, and also chip innovation technology. You would see different countries as well, presentations available. And this is good, guys. This is good. This is good to show you all that the platform is growing. And that's definitely what you want to be part of, a growing platform. All right. So let me just. Right. So you see a lot of videos here. You could check it out at your own time and, testimonials and stuff like that, information about the platform and so forth. So we want to look at some of the contracts available for you to invest within the platform options, right? So we could basically just log into our account here quickly. Let me just log into my account here. And please enable your two-factor authenticator because, a lot of people would try to get access to your account and stuff. So I like to demonstrate this example by going into our account here. Right. So basically, as you log into your account, once you're verified, you're going to be greeted with the Year of the Dragon. And seeing that ShaoBank is in Hong Kong, they also celebrate this Year of the Dragon as well. So with this year, they do ShaoBank do wish everyone prosperity, strength, and wisdom in a journey ahead. As greeted on the message here when logged into your account, you would see that information there. So this is what the back office looks like within ShaoBank. And we want to head straight over to the bonds information. With the bonds information, you could basically choose up to 8 bonds, guys. You have 8 bonds available to choose from to invest, right? And we want to firstly start off by the first bond available, right? It's on the FP series. So FP Series 1 that pays 0.50% fixed daily for 4 years, right? With this option here, you have a lot of different crypto to invest within the platform. Right, you have a lot of different cryptocurrencies. You have the popular Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Tron, Tether. You have the Solana, then you have Alipay and EP as an option to invest. You would see balance here. This is where your earnings now, when it comes back to your account, you could reinvest by paying the HKD within the account, right? So you have the option to reinvest and activate multiple contracts within one account. So we wanted to do this example by selecting USDT TRC20. But this is by far the most popular coin here in Trinidad. We use a lot, and it's very easy to get the USDT. Right. So we want to talk about your earnings with that first amount, right? It's literally $51.28. You could come in, invest into this particular contract, and you could be earning weekly 14 HKD, right? And even daily 2 HKD. So this would run for 4 years, guys. 4 years. Remember that, right? So that's the first contract available. And you could have multiple contracts activated in your account. You have the FP2 here, where you could come in here with a minimum of $256.40 USDT. Your earnings percentage per day is 0.60%, 7 days a week for 4 years. Your weekly earnings under HKD is 84 HKD and your daily is 12 HKD. So remember, this is running for 4 years, guys. So I always tell people there's a free converter online. You could actually type in the HKD here if it's 84 to know how much USDT you would be receiving on a weekly basis. All right. So you could check that out. And this is your earnings on FP2. So the minimum withdrawal with ShaoBank, it's $7, right? It's $7 USDT to do your withdrawals. Most of the time when I did my personal withdrawals with the platform, I would get it like in 2 hours time, rare cases less than 24 hours. So during my time spent here, as you can see, my registered date here is the 28th of March, 2023. So I have a lot of experience on the platform. And I did a lot of withdrawals from ShaoBank and we got it in less than 24 hours. However, I don't know what the future will hold, but I could speak about the present right now. And I know that they are doing payouts and stuff on time and we are getting that withdrawals, right? So you have the FP2 here, a really powerful contract. If you have the amount available in your USDT, you could get involved. Again, you don't have any monthly fees to pay and you do have basically a high startup cost, right? So you have the FP3 here where you get 0.70% a day, 7 days a week for 3 years. Your weekly earnings now is 56 HKD. Sorry, your daily earnings is 56 HKD and your weekly is 392 HKD. So if I type in that, that's $50 a week you're earning with the FP3, right? And that runs for 3 years. So you could do a lot of things with that, guys. You could actually open smaller FP1 contracts within 2 to 3 weeks of getting that payout with that particular contract. If you are more risk taker and you're into the higher investment options, you basically have the FP4 available. With the FP4, it's 0.90%, 7 days a week for 3 years. The minimum is 5,128 USDT. Your total earnings daily is 360 HKD and your weekly is 2,520 HKD. So 2520, that's 322 USDT a week. You could do a lot of things with that, guys. You could actually activate a FP2 by investing into the FP4 in a 2-week period or so forth, right? So you could do withdrawals as well. So I always tell people develop a strategy where you could compound in the system and start securing your capital quickly as possible. So even though if you get involved with the FP4, the FP3, you could try doing your withdrawals weekly or daily if possible, right? Just to, start securing your capital. If you reach a 50-60%, then you're more at a less risk stage by reinvesting. The more you reinvest and activate contracts in your account, it's the more returns you would be getting, the more percentages coming back to you, right? So we have the FP5 here. This minimum, it's 10,256 USDT. You get 1.1%. Many months ago, when I got involved with, or even years, I should say, ago or so, when we saw opportunities with 1.1 and 1.2, we would run down those opportunities, right? Because we would say, hey, you're getting your money faster. So now ShaoBank made it possible for you to get that 1.1% if you're looking at a higher returns, right? Obviously, it's going to cost more to get involved with that particular option. It's 10,256 USDT. You get 1.1% a day for 2 years, right? For 2 years. So the minimum return weekly is 6,160 HKD and your daily earnings is 880 HKD. That's a lot, guys. If you get in 880 a day, that's 112 USDT daily coming back to your account, and that's the FP5. So there's the FP6 now. If you know, you want to take it up a notch, you want to come in with a big amount, this option is for you. It's FP6. They pay 1.30% a day, 7 days a week for 2 years, right? The minimum to invest in that is 25,640 USDT, and weekly earnings is 18,200 each. Right, so that's 25,640 HKD to invest into the FP6. These contracts that I'm about to explain here, FP7 and FP8, is by far the best contracts available on the platform. But this is for persons, I mean, you want to come in big, you know, you want to come in with a good amount to get a good return, because that is 1.50% a day coming back to you, right? 7 days a week, and the maturity for this contract is 1 year. All right. The minimum is 51,280 USDT to invest into this particular contract, and you get a weekly earnings of 42,000 HKD, right? So we have by far the best contract here is the FP8. The minimum to invest in this is 102,560 USDT. It's 2% a day now, guys, right? That's literally for 5 days, guys. Like 10% in 5 days. That's a lot for 1 year. Your weekly earnings is 112,000 HKD. And again, once you have the amount available and you know it's not an emergency money you put in within the platform, guys, it's an option to consider, right? It's an option to consider. So that is the contracts available if you're an investor and you're looking for opportunity that is stable, that is working currently. Because I could tell you this, because I've been with the platform since March 2023, right? And we grew our account, you know, we come in small and we basically secure our capital, and then we start buying into contracts. So with ShaoBank, for the year, maybe 2, 3 to 4 times, they will introduce new contracts as well. And this is good because they actually do this for the community so that people will get that value as well, right? And seeing that they paying up to 2% now, it's a lot, guys. It's a lot, right? So that's one way you could earn as an investor coming into ShaoBank, by participating into the bonds contract. And if you're looking for other way to earn within ShaoBank, there's the deposit option available. This is like a fixed deposit for the year. And with this option, the minimum to come in is 1,025 USDT and 60 cents. You would get a yearly interest rate added to your account, into your invested amount, 11.50%. So this is the other way you could earn within the platform, by participating into the deposit option. But you're asking yourself now, why should I take a deposit option and why should I take the bonds option, you know? So basically what ShaoBank did is that they're offering a loan option. So this is really unique with the platform. But to participate into the loans, you have to basically take your you have to participate, I should say, into the deposit option and the bonds contract. So you have to take the products of the company, guys, to really be qualified to apply for a loan. So the loan is categorized in 3 areas. It's mortgage, that they charge 9% for the year. You have consumer, they charge 16.5% for the year. The business, they charge 14.5% for the year, right? With this particular option here, you could do many things with this: medical, educational, traveling, opening your own business, you know, and buying mortgage property and stuff like that. So there's a lot of options available to participate within the platform. And we just want to cover something quickly here. Once your account verified, it's free to sign up. You simply reach back out to the person, they would send you a referral link, you sign up, you get a verified account instantly. You're gonna get a Shao virtual card. With this card, you could use this card in Hong Kong and some of the supported European countries. And also within the same page here, you could basically do a top-up service on the refill balance. It's like a savings account within ShaoBank account, right? You could top up with one of the supported crypto, a lot of cryptos to select from. Then there's the withdrawal where minimum $6.41 USDT you could withdraw, right? And you're not limited to USDT. You could select any one of the supported crypto options here. You have Bitcoin where they charge a commission of 7.8%, and the minimum now is 400 HKD. So every single crypto would be different, guys. You know, you would have different fees to pay. It's just that we choose TRC20 because it's zero commissions and it's literally $7 USDT, I should say, right? That's 50 HKD. Right, so that's the withdrawal option. You put your address would always be there as well. You have an option under settings. You could go there and you would see your addresses. You could put your receiving address under the certain options and it will permanently be in the account. So every time you do a withdrawal, it will go to that specific address, right? So we have here transfer feature is a really unique and convenient feature within ShaoBank. This feature actually allows you to transfer money from your account to a customer's account with zero commission being charged, right? And instantly money does be transferred to their account. So the minimum to transfer, it's literally 10 HKD. That's the minimum you could send, right? So this virtual card, you also get a CVC code, which is your personal PIN code. And you don't send that code to anyone, guys. So moving forward now, ShaoBank have introduced their own marketplace. So within this marketplace, this is for all the networkers, persons who like to share opportunities, you know, because we advertise on a daily basis, whether it be food establishment, cable companies, TV companies, internet providers, and we don't get compensated for that, guys. So with this option here, you now could basically earn within the marketing side of ShaoBank. So ShaoBank pays 7% on your first level. So let's say I were to sign up someone right now with my referral link and they activate a bond contract, I get 7% for marketing for ShaoBank, right? So that's just the first level, guys. ShaoBank is 10 levels deep. You got 0.5 on your 10th level. You would see on your right-hand corner here, something right 700T and so forth. That is tokens. So ShaoBank have their own built-in marketplace with their own tokens as well. So you get rewarded tokens for participating into marketing. And these tokens add up really fast, guys. So 1 HKD is actually 12 tokens. So you could see how much tokens you can earn quickly within the platform, right? So you have the option to buy into the different network structure here. If you are a network marketer, they made it in such a way you have to utilize the tokens to buy into the different levels of marketing. All right. However, if you want to get into instant earning cash to your account, they also have something called cases. With these cases, you could buy using your tokens. Once you have the required amount, let's say the common case, I would to buy that right now. It's costing me 1,000 tokens. ShaoBank is guaranteeing me 40 HKD. So if I had hit buy case and buy case now, I instantly earn cash to my account. So that's 31 HKD instantly to my account I got. And every 24 hours, I could do that once I have 1,000 tokens available and above, right? So it doesn't stop at the common case. There's the rare case. If you have 100,000, you could earn 800 to 2,400 HKD. You have the mystical, legendary, and immortal case. By far is one of the best case within the platform. So as you can see, there's a lot of ways you could earn within ShaoBank. You could earn through their bonds. You could earn through the deposit option. If you're into marketing, you could earn through the commissions that pay 7% instantly to your account. You have the cases. Now they introduce as the year of the dragon, as you can see here, they have a special dragon box case available. Once you have 10,000 token, when I saw this and I had my 10,000 tokens, I instantly bought into that case. So it's a one-time purchase and you could earn 200 to 800 HKD instantly to your account. So there's other perks available once you're active bond holder within the platform. There are contest programs within the Telegram channels where you could partake of and earn tokens as well within the platform and buy cases with that particular token. So I'm coming to enter our opportunity call today. I really appreciate you all taking the time to come and hear what ShaoBank is about, how you could get involved, and most importantly, no monthly fees, right? No monthly fees. So if once you're interested, guys, reach back out to the person who invited you to the call. Tell them you heard the opportunity, and I mean it's been working since 2022. We are in 2024. So as you know, we have a stable platform available here, right? So guys, with that being said, I do wish everyone a productive day and week ahead, and I will see you guys on the inside. Any more information you require, just simply reach back out to the person who invited you to the call. Tell them you would like to get started and they will guide you accordingly. My name is Simeon, all the way from Trinidad and Tobago, and I will see you guys on the inside.